Good morning. The 17th International Research Conference on Management and Finance, IRCF 2022. Congratulations for all paper presenters, organizers, and conference team. It gives me great pleasure and honor as the Vice Chancellor to address you in this landmark event. As we all are aware, the University of Colombo is well known in South Asia as well as globally for research activities. Recently, the University of Colombo ranking went up from 800,000 to 601 to 800, according to the Times Education rank, which of course merely all the academic effort to conduct research and publications in international and local areas. And particularly, we recently celebrated 9 of academics in Colombo University reached the top 2% of world scientists. So that is kind of a pride for research activities in University of Colombo. In every year, year by year, our research activities are increasing, as well as dissemination knowledge is also expanding in the context of University of Colombo. When it comes to Faculty of Management and Finance, of course, it consists of altogether 86 academics and total 7 departments, which include 1 senior professor, 15 professors, 3 associate professors, senior lecturers, 56 senior lecturers, and probationary lecturers. So which means that we know as academia in university, we all have 5 roles to play. One, of course, is the as the university academics, we all are supposed to undertake research activities that today in the research conferences presenting research activities of the faculty academics and collaborative research with learning partners and open invitation from other universities, faculties, and other countries. So those who are presenting papers in this web-based conference, I congratulate you, and our research activity as academic in the university is very important. Number 2 is, of course, teaching and dissemination of knowledge as the academic, which is very important. We have 25,000 learning partners as students in University of Colombo, and all we engage in teaching and dissemination. Another important aspect of our research, our academic life, is administration. Academic administration, many academics in University of Colombo, they contribute for administration of the university. And not only that, we know basically the country level policy making and think tank, and many places people are working from the University of Colombo. And the community development, we also engage in community development. In these 5 sense, I hope the academia in University of Colombo performing very well. So the important thing that how the research is important for us. I still remember the first research conference in the Faculty of Management and Finance was held in year 2000, where I worked as the coordinator for the first research conference in Faculty of Management and Finance. Since then, I think the number of academics have grown, number of publications have grown, dissemination has increased. So I congratulate for the achievements in terms of research and dissemination for the Faculty of Management and Finance. And in today's world, we know research going with hand in hand is very important in lines of digitalization, ICT, incorporation and developing skills of professionals, particularly with respect to all the entrepreneurial skills inculcating for managers. In this line, I hope University of Colombo Faculty of Management and Finance is doing very well. So I congratulate for all the presenters today, and I believe this conference will bring different methodologies, competing research views, ideas, and have a very important impact on research on the people's lives. So therefore, in the University of Colombo Faculty of Management and Finance, as the 17th conference, you are conducting today in web format. So it is very important. We know this last 2 years, we had many crises, the bunch of crises facing by Sri Lanka due to COVID-19 pandemic, Easter attack, economic crisis, social crisis, social inequality, and there are various aspects we can see the crises. For many purposes, particularly education sector started changing into the physical education to moving for globally accepted online and virtual education during particularly these crisis periods. Now, since most of the crises are going to settle now, many countries and people like Sri Lanka also thinking to start everything in physical sense. But still, our habit during last 2 years, we gradually developed for this digitalized world. So the University of Colombo in this year, particularly 2022, take the main theme as umbrella theme, digital transformation and innovative approaches to mitigate challenges in higher education sector. This is the main theme of annual research symposium in 2020. In going with that line, the Faculty of Management and Finance has set the challenge of change in volatility as the topic, made the topic. So under that, this topic, you conduct many research and disseminate under various tracks. So therefore, I think the University of Colombo also getting benefits from this international conference, and particularly this Faculty of Management and Finance has gone global by this IRCMF. So as the pioneering contributor to the international conference and conferences conducted by the Faculty of Management and Finance and Vice Chancellor of the University of Colombo, I wish all the best to you, and I hope the paper presenters' ideas will convert into policy making and better off for everyone as win-win situation. Thank you very much for inviting me today. Thank you.